Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Taobao app not installing. So if you're also facing this problem, there are few things that you can try in order to fix it. So first thing that you have to do is ensure your device has enough free storage space for the app. If your device's storage is full, you'll not be able to install the application. In that case, what you have to do is uninstall other application and make space for Taobao app and install it. If the storage is not the problem, what you can do is check the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you have good internet connectivity but you're still not being able to install the application, what you can do is force stop Play Store for a while. So for that, simply launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on the option apps. Now find the application for Google Play Store and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Google Play Store. You'll be able to find three options over here: open, disable, force stop. Simply tap on the option force stop. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now once the Google Play Store has been forced stop, your problem might be fixed and your application might be installed. But if this still does not solve your problem, what you can do is try uninstalling the Play Store updates. For that, simply tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen in the app info interface. Now tap on the option uninstall updates. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Replace this app with the factory version. Simply tap on the option OK. Now once the Play Store updates has been uninstalled, your problem must be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try disabling the application. For that, in the app info interface, find the option for disable and tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option disable app. Now you can see over here the application has been disabled. Now what you have to do is wait for a while and tap on the option enable. Now the application has been enabled. Now try installing the Taobao application again. Your problem should be fixed. But if it does not solve your problem, what you can do is try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. For that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After that, your problem should be fixed. Now simply launch open Play Store. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Simply search for Taobao app. Now you'll be able to see the results. You'll be able to find the application for Taobao. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option install. Now after following those steps, you can see over here your problem will be fixed and Taobao application will be installed. So that is how you fix Taobao app not installing problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.